Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So one of my subscriber asked about the question 2x plus x is equals to 27 without using the blue bracket function. I'm very thankful to the subscriber. He he or she asked about the question and I'm very happy for that. And coming to the video, so in the solution we have to write given what in the question 2x plus x is equals to 27. First step, combine like terms. 2x plus x is equals to 3x, so the equation becomes 3x is equals to 27. Is a logical method. It's very easy guys to understand. Now step 2, divide both sides by 3, means we have to divide 3x is equals to 27. 3 we have to take this side, means we'll get x is equals to 27 by 3. We have to cancellation by 3 ones are 3 nines are, so the x value 9, x is equals to 9. Hope you understand this video. Bye guys.